Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 32. Today we are starting unit number 6, lesson 3, reading Mango Django's house. Who is Mango Django? Mango Django is a monster. Listen as you read the story. Mango Django is Fizza's friend. Look at here. He's Mango Django and she is Fizza, and they both are friends. Will you come and play at my house? Asked Mango Django. Yes, please, says Fizza. Get on my back then, says Mango Django. Mango Django asked to Fizza, will you come and play at my home? Fizza says, yes, please. Mango Django says, get on my back. Fizza get on Mango Django back. He flies out of the window. Look at here. There is a mango tree. He flies over the mango tree and the wall. Soon they come to Mango Django house. It's a funny house. The doors look like a banana. The windows look like apple. Look at here. Look at this picture. This is Mango Django house. Look at their doors. It is so funny. The doors look like a banana and the windows look like apple. Oh, it's so funny house. Did you see this type of house before? No, it's so funny. Now, read it with me. Come in and sit down. He says, are you thirsty? Would you like water, milk, orange or tea? Tea, please, says Fizza. And then Mango Django tells to Fizza, are you thirsty? Would you like water, milk, orange juice or tea? Fizza says, tea please. Here you are, says Mango Django, some nice cold tea. He gives her some tea in a bucket. Oh, thank you, she says politely. She drinks the cold tea. Mango Django gives her some tea in a bucket. Look at here. This is a bucket. Fizza says, thank you politely, and she drinks cold tea. Did you drink the cold tea before? No, because tea is hot. Now look at the next page, page number 33. Now are you hungry? Asked Mango Django. Would you like a sandwich, a sweet, an ice cream or a banana? An ice cream please, says Fizza. Here you are, says Mango Django. A nice hot ice cream. He gives her a hot ice cream in a big shell. Thank you very much, says Fizza politely. Look at this picture. Mango Django asked to Fizza, are you hungry? Would you like a sandwich, a sweet, an ice cream or a banana? Fizza says, ice cream please. Mango Django gives her a hot ice cream in a big shell. Fizza says thank you very much politely and very softly. She looks at his house. His bed is in the kitchen. His shower is in the living room. There are books in the bathroom and spoons in the bedroom. Fizza laughs. What a funny house, she says. Look at his house. His bed is in the kitchen. His shower is in the living room. How funny it is. Okay. Don't you like my house? Asked Mango Jango. Don't you like my house? I like it very much, says Fizza. Good, says Mango Jango. And Mango Jango feels very happy when Fizza says his house is so nice. Now let's play. Okay, I will bat. Mango Jango have bat and Fizza's, and here's an apple. Look at here. Now they both are playing. Now look at B part. Use the word in the box to complete the sentences. Apple, house, fly, bag, ice cream, friend, and tea. She gets on his back. You write it here. B-A-C-K, back. The dash to Mango Jango's house. They T-H-E-Y, they dash to Mango Jango's house. They fly to Mango Jango's house. He gives Fizza cold tea and a hot ice cream. They play with a bat and an apple. They both are playing. Look at C part. Say what is strange about Mango Jango's house. The door looks like a banana. Look at here. The doors look like a banana. The windows look like apples. His bed is in the kitchen and his shower is in the living room. So Mango Jango house is different from your house. This is very interesting story. Hopefully you all are enjoy it very much. Now we are starting unit number 6, lesson 4, sentences. A part, look at the things in Mango Jango's kitchen. Dishes, stove, tap, knife, spoon, window, pan. Look at B part. Now draw lines to complete these sentences. The tap look like a snake. Look at here. The tap look like a snake. The dishes look like shells. And here we write. Here is a shelf. Now you match it like this. The spoon, where is the spoon? Spoon look like little girls. Now you match it like this. The knives look like a little boys. Okay. Now you match it like this. The window look like an apple. The window look like an apple. Okay. And the stove look like a crocodile. Okay, now look at C part. Use the words in the box to complete these sentences about the kitchen. There is a window, dash the pan, behind the pan. There is a pan, dash the stove, on the stove. Pan is on the stove. You write it here, on. O and on. There is a jug, dash the table. There is a jug on the table. You write it here, on. O and on. There are some knives, dash the jug. There is some knives, in the jug. You write it here I and N. There are 2 plates dash the table. There are 2 plates on the table. You write it here O and on. There is a bucket dash the tap. Under the tap. You write it here U-N-D-E-R. Under. There is some water dash the bucket. There is some water in the bucket. Now look at page number 35. Unit number 6, lesson 5, writing. Sing hi diddle diddle again. Say what is strange. Okay. Cats don't usually play the fiddle. Look at here. Usually cats don't play the fiddle. Okay. Now you match it like this. Cows don't usually run like this. So you match it with cow don't usually run. R-U and run. Dog don't usually laugh like this. So you match it like this. Dog don't usually laugh. Dishes don't usually jump over the moon like here. Now look at B part. Read the story of Mango Jango house. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Here we have 6 words: kitchen, living room, shell, hot, cold, bucket. Okay, number 1. Fizza drinks from a cup, but Mango Jango drinks from a bucket. Okay. Number 1. Fizza eats from a dish, but Mango Jango eats from shell. You write it here, shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. Fizza drink hot tea, but Mango Jango drink cold. Fizza eat cold ice cream, but Mango Jangos eat hot. Fizza sleep in the bedroom, Mango Jangos in the kitchen. Fizza shower in the bathroom, Mango Jangos shower in the living room. You write it like this. Count these objects and write how many. Now you counted these objects and you write how many these are. Okay, like you count like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Here we have 15 spoons, so you write it 15 here. Now do it these by yourself. Okay.